Good morning everyone. Welcome to chemistry classes. Today questions are the correct order of second ionization potential of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine is. What is the order for the first ionization potential? To simply know about this second ionization potential, already in our previous classes we will discuss about ionization potential. Ionization potential is nothing but the energy required to remove an electron from the outermost electronic configuration. Okay, what is second ionization potential? Already, for example, already a positively charged ion is formed, cation, that is cation. From this, the energy required to remove another electron is called second ionization potential. What happens in this period? Carbon. What is the electronic configuration for carbon? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, because the atomic number is 6. For nitrogen, 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. For oxygen, 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. And for fluorine, 9, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. These are the electronic configurations for carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. For the first ionization potential, means for taking one electron from the outermost electronic configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Whenever C plus is formed, the occurring electronic configuration is this one, 2p1. This is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Outermost configuration of p orbital is like this. For nitrogen, N plus this one, and 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, because already we are taking one electron, that is O plus, this is N plus, this is C plus. Okay, the outermost configuration for O plus, this one. For F plus, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. This is the electronic configuration of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine after removing one electron. That is, already one electron is removed from the atoms. Whenever we are taking one electron, the another electron which are the energy required which we are taking another electron from its cation is called second ionization potential. So for the carbon it is only one electron. For nitrogen there are two electrons, outermost electrons are 2, and for oxygen it is half filled. Okay, the p orbital is half filled, and for fluorine there are 4 electrons. Half filled is more stable. Half filled or completely filled orbitals are more stable. So nitrogen has the second ionization potential very high than the other elements. So here there are two options. Option B and option C are having the more, here second ionization potential is more than that fluorine or nitrogen. We will go through that. For nitrogen and this fluorine, the fluorine is more electronegative because of its smaller charge, and also nitrogen also having smaller charge, but this fluorine has more electronegativity. So more fluorine has the most second ionization potential than the nitrogen. So option C is the correct about second ionization potential. Is it clear? The first ionization potential is nothing but the energy required to remove an electron from the outermost configuration. So this is after removing one electron, this is happens for the carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. The energy required to remove another electron, because P is having in carbon, p orbital is having one electron, so it can easily remove, and N plus, which is having two electrons, it is also easy. For oxygen it is half filled, so it is more stable. Comparatively these three, fluorine has another electron, that is paired up electrons, so it is also in the px orbital there are two electrons. These are the paired electrons, so we cannot easily remove those electrons. So we cannot easily remove these electrons. So comparatively carbon and nitrogen, fluorine has a more second ionization potential. So this is the order. Oxygen have greater second ionization potential than fluorine, that is having more greater than nitrogen, and nitrogen is greater second ionization potential than the carbon. This is about second ionization potential. And the second question, what is the second question? The element with the highest first ionization potential is, already we are telling here the options are boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. What is the electronic configuration for boron? 5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. We simply 1s, 2s2 and 2p1. For carbon, electronic configuration is like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. And next nitrogen 7, already I told here 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 1s, 2s2, 2p3. For oxygen 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. In the orbitals, p orbital or d orbital, either f orbital, whenever the suborbitals are half filled, then only it will pair up. It is 2p4 for oxygen. What is the question here? The element with the highest first ionization potential is, here the electron outermost configuration is the energy required to remove an electron. This is easy because it is only one electron. It is also easy because these are the unpaired electrons. And for oxygen also there are two unpaired electrons. It is also easy to remove. But in the nitrogen, these are the 2p orbitals are half filled orbitals, suborbitals are half filled with the electrons, so it is more stable because the half filled are completely filled orbitals are more stable. Okay, so basing on this, the nitrogen is having the first ionization potential more. What is the ionization potential? The energy required to remove an electron from the outermost electronic configuration. So nitrogen is having the highest first ionization potential because of its electronic configuration. The outermost configuration of nitrogen is half filled, so it is more stable. So we can't easily remove an electron from the nitrogen. So it is today's. See you in next video.